YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a haul from Tuesday morning. First, I'd like to say thank you to all my new subbies. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And this haul actually was a lot cheaper than what it looks because I actually took some stuff back that I had duplicates of, and because some stuff my daughter had brought me, and so I already had them. And so most of this, I only paid like $20 for all of this. $22. But anyway, the rest of it was all free, so that was pretty cool. So anyway, let me show you what I got. Still haven't got any ones with the pom-poms as far as the Maggie Holmes. They have a ton of Maggie Holmes paper. So, and Graphic 45, and what's her name? Vicky Bolton. It had a lot of different papers. But anyway, so I did get the Maggie Holmes Happy Color collection right here. And this was $1.49. This is the Bloom collection. I gotta check and see if I got the paper because they do have it in the 6x6. Excuse me. But pretty much our colors are pretty much the same, so pretty much can probably use any colors to go along with it, but I'm pretty sure I have that one. And it's 202-67034, $1.49. I'm going to cut this light out because it's glaring. Sorry about that. It's in the package and it's gold foil, so it's a little glaring. This one, not necessarily Maggie Holmes. This is Maggie Holmes. I got two of those. And nope, I got one. This is Maggie Holmes, and of course this is the carousel one. And this one is 202-6711 for $1.99, and this was $1.49, and this is $1.99. Go figure. I don't know why. They're the same size. This is 29. Oh, this one has 68 stickers. Okay. Then I got this Good Vibes one because it came around the same colors as the Maggie Holmes. I thought I could match our paper pad. 202-8504. And FYI, the product hotline number is working. At least it never stopped working in my area. So I think it was just a glitch for maybe a day or two in some of the other areas for whatever reason. But mine has never went out and it still works. But feel free to call and check. Maybe they're just doing something, upgrading the system or something. I don't know, but it's working. At least it was working before I made this video. So, and this is September, whatever, the first day of school. Hopefully I get it up by the middle of the week. And let's see. I did get two of the embossing folders. They're the 3D. I don't own any 3D embossing folders. That's the only reason I got them. I didn't need any more. But I just wanted to try out the 3D one because I don't have any, just to see, really, can you see the difference? So these are by Crafter's Companion. They're $2.99. Sorry about the glare. They're still in the packaging. These really have more sheen to it for some reason. The first one is called Sparkling Snowflake, and it's a 5x7. 202-1460. So you can call 1-800. I just lost the number in my head. 1-800 0881. Oh my gosh, I just lost the phone number. But you call the product hotline, type in the SKU and you zip, and they'll let you know if it's in your area. And this one is called Pretty Poinsettia, 202-1459. So again, they are $2.99. There's one other one, I think. So one other design. And I got the Vicky Bolton, the tags for $1.49. It's 30 tags. They're thin, decorative paper tags, so they're not excessively thick or anything. You have to probably mount these on something else, like they did, onto another thicker tag. I would anyway, you know, or on a piece of paper. Journal on it. 6 designs, 5 each, so it's 30. It's $1.49. 202-7058. She also has a pad of paper out, and the ink, and the matte medium, and some other stuff. But the paper pad was pretty nice. It was $6.99. Sorry about that. It's my computer. And then I got these Amy Tangerine stencils for $2.99. Kind of expensive, but it's 6 stencils in here. And it's 202-9019. It's called Starting at Brooklyn or something at Brooklyn. But these are the designs on the back, so you can see triangle, chevron, stripes, oh gosh, what's the name? Geranium, the flower. And then this 2 flowers, neat, fun, sweet, and love. So sometimes it's nice to have smaller stencils so it's scaled down when you're doing something smaller, like on the ATC or iCAD. Now the dies, I did really well on not buying a lot of dies. At least this trip. I know my store, they had them out. I went to 2 of them. But they told me to come back on Thursday because they didn't get a chance to get everything out. But they had quite a few. Both the 2 stores I went at had at least 25 each. I did want to get the 9 decorative edges because one, it's 9 decorative edges. They're 5x7, so pretty much, you know, the regular, a big, large car size, you can use any one of these. 2027897, and of course it was $4.99. So, and that's the 9 different ones you get. Not a bad deal. This could also be like a mountain, even though it's got scallops on it, but you can do a couple different things with those. You can make a scene, like grass or something to stand on. They had quite a bit on the edge dies. I only got 1, and I got this one only because more of a wedding-y type feel, I thought, versus the butterflies and all the different other ones, the floral one. I thought this one would give me more bang for my buck as far as like types of things that I would use it for. So this one is called Doily Lace. I think the word is covered up, but I think it's Doily Lace, and $3.99, 2027901. And that's what that looks like. And I just got this little flower because it's curled up on the page, and I thought, oh, it'd be nice to make a dimensional flower. And these are the Desire dies, and this is called Spring Flowers. It's a 5-piece set. It's $2.99, 2027921. And that's actually a nice size leaf. And you got the little piece in the middle. You can make them stamens or just make it part of the flower. And that little centerpiece, so you can layer it with different colors. This is a 5x5 for a nice, you know, frame centerpiece. And this is called Flutterfly with an F, Flutterfly. And it's $4.99, 2027885. So that's it right there. So 2 butterflies are separate. It's 4-piece set. Sorry about that glare, it's still in the package. And this is a similar type die, 6-piece. And this one is called Love is in the Air, 2027883. And that's how that one looks. So a nice size piece, you know, 5x5s. So nice for your square cards. So I believe I got this the same one I got last time, but I wasn't sure, so I went on and got 2 more. But if I did, I'll probably take these back because I think I got 2 of these, 2 of the poolside, 2 of confetti. But I can't remember if I got the carousel in that. I think I just got confetti. I can't remember. But I got like 2 or 3 of hers. But I wasn't sure if I had this one, so I went on and picked up 2 of them for $2.99, 2026709. Chipboard. 43 pieces. And when Gloria showed us, I had already saw this, but I kept saying no, no, no. And then when she showed it, I was like, oh, maybe I should get it because it is so pretty. And then it has a sheen to the paper. It's really, it's nice. It's so pretty. I'm going to order me some chipboards so I can get back into my albums. This was $5.99. This was called Infused, and it's by Authentique, and it's 2013921. I'm really looking for the paper pad with the stickers for this one and the saucy one. But anyway, that is my haul. So, ladies and gents, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.